Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get update from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to save in a reading list in Wikipedia app. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you are already logged into your Wikipedia account. Now let's get started. Open your Wikipedia app. Here we go. Now at the top you can see search bar. Type there anything wanted to search. Here choose any of the article. Here I go. Now at the bottom you can see different options. Choose the third option. Here I go. Now tap on add time management to our reading list on that plus icon. Now choose the reading list. You can create a new list or you can add to the old reading list as well. Here I will be choosing create a new list and giving a new name to my reading list. Tap on create reading list. Now go and check your reading list. You can go to the option saved, which is given at the bottom. Here I go. Here you can see time management that I have been saved. In this way you can add reading list in Wikipedia app. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.